Right. So this is just a quick video just to go over one or two little extra areas. So sometimes you can describe a set by using shaded boxes. So I'm going to show you an example of a shaded box here now. So in this case, we have a universal set. And inside that, we have two sets A and B in a Venn diagram. And we have to describe the shaded area that we see. So in order to describe the shaded area, we just look and see what's shaded. And in this case, the entire Venn diagram that represents A is shaded. So in this case, the shaded area would be the set A. Represents the set A. Okay, so we'll try another one. So how would this be represented? So in this case, we have all of A shaded and all of B shaded. So the shaded area represents the set. Now, how would we describe A and B both together? Well, isn't it A union B? That's the set. Okay. So let me try another one. Now, what about this one? What does this represent? Well, the shaded area the set. Right. Well, what set does it represent, do you think? Well, it's not A, it's not B, it's what they have in common. So what's that in terms of set notation, isn't it? A intersection B. That's what that shaded area represents. Right, we'll try another one. Ooh. What about this one here? Okay. So, so this is the universal set again, but it's everything that's not an A or B. Okay, not. Okay, there's your hint. So the shaded area represents the set A union B. What's not A union B? How do I represent not? Yes, that's right. You put the little complement symbol, little apostrophe. Okay, that represents not. So that's not A union B. So if you look up at this one, that's the A union B. This one is A union B complement. It's the not bit of it. Okay? Now, what about this one? Okay. So, what about this one? So I've shaded in everything except A. So the shaded area represents the set. Well, it's everything that is not an A. So we're looking at another not, aren't we? So represents A complement. A with an apostrophe, that means not A, everything that's not an A. And that is true. We've been shaded in everything in the universal set that's not an A. Okay? So there's just a little quick thing. Now, just on a little bit of thing. That symbol, for example, I'll use not A. Okay? A complement. That if somebody asks you what does that mean, in terms of words, that means A complement. That's what it actually means in maths. That little apostrophe just means a complement. What it means is not a, i.e., what is not in set A. Okay, so that's mathematically what it means. So, you know, if you're doing a quiz or an exam and someone says, what does that symbol stand for? It actually stands for the word complement. But what does it mean? It means not whatever that set is. Okay, so it has a meaning and it has an actual word associated with the symbol. Okay, so just be aware of that. If you're asked to describe what it means, you can use anything down here. If you're just asked to identify what that symbol is, it just is complement. Okay. Now, usually you'd be asked to identify the symbol and explain its meaning. So you'd say, this is the symbol for complement. Complement means not that set or anything that's not in that set. Okay. Thank you very much.